What's up, everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make decorative candles like votive, pillar, and container. Candles infuse your space with style, warmth, and a comforting glow. And if you make mine, an amazing scent as well. Candles look great in every room, but I actually made these with my bathroom in mind. I love taking baths, and there's nothing more relaxing and cozy than candlelight. Well, that and a bottle of wine. Candles are also great for date nights. They create a romantic and alluring ambiance. Plus, it's the most flattering light of all. I actually bought the wall sconces and chandelier over 10 years ago and am just now getting to use them both. DIY candles are cost-effective, eco-friendly, and you can personalize them. Bring light, warmth, and style into your space with your own creations. Please always read the description for important information, tips, updates, the supply list, and more. Also, my heating method is a burner on high heat, but refer to the description for information regarding this technique. These votive candles are so super simple. These molds are ideal for resale, gift giving, and for this project. Plus, they're reusable. Get your wick as straight as possible. Make sure the wicks are straight and centered, then anchor them in place. Melt the wax and additives together. The universal additive is for soy wax, and it's just going to make it a bit harder. Votive and pillar candles aren't normally known for scent, but mine sure are because I'm using a 15 to 17% fragrance load. More on this in the description. Cool the wax to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit, then add fragrance. Cool the wax a bit more to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, then slowly pour it into the container. Make sure the wicks are straight and centered. The votives should come out easily. If they don't, push on the bottom of the mold or push the mold down on a flat surface a bit until it does. Trim the wicks down to size. I've been wanting to make pillar candles for over a decade now, and this week I finally made them. I bought this mold about 10 years ago, and there should be a wick pin right here. If you don't have one or lost it like me, prevent leaking with sticky tack or gum or something to plug the hole. I used a 6-inch wick, so it wasn't long enough to touch the bottom. This is why I recommend at least an 8-inch wick. Straighten the wick and attach it to an anchor. Make sure the wick hangs perfectly straight on the anchor, then center it in the mold. If you look up how to make pillar candles, it says to use paraffin wax. But because I used a soft paraffin wax, it made a soft pillar candle. Plus, it was really hard to unmold. So then I tried using only soy wax, and it got stuck in the mold completely, and I had to cut it out piece by piece. It's all good though, because I was able to formulate a recipe that makes the perfect pillar candle. Read the description for information on the additives. Melt the wax and additives together. Cool the wax to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit, then add fragrance. Cool the wax a bit more to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, then slowly pour it into the container. Make sure the wicks are straight and centered. Once the candle is fully cured, the sides will have pulled away from the container. You may need to tap it a bit, but it should come out fairly easily. The candle may be slightly sticky at first, but by day 3, it will be fully dry to the touch. You should probably top the candle off while it's still in the container. I was just too excited and didn't feel like waiting any longer. I'm glad I added more though. It looks like the middle really needed it. I experimented with gold Mylar tape and wanted to share this. They have all sizes of the tape. You could even do like a Kate Spade one, which I have on my to-do list. It's so easy to apply. I just wouldn't recommend burning the candle once it got to the gold tape, which is why I only left it at the very bottom. But it's also very easy to remove. For the container candle, use any heat-safe container that you want. I chose this one because it matches the other decor. This is a lantern, so in reality you're supposed to put a pillar candle inside, but I really wanted to make a full container candle. And here is my awesome container candle recipe. The Vybar is for paraffin wax and the universal additive is for soy wax. This is the same directions as the other two, so you're going to melt everything down, cool it to 180, then add fragrance, cool it to 160, then add it to the container. Cure the wax and let it harden up a bit. The wicks don't go all the way to the top, so I had to add more. Make sure the wicks are straight and centered, then anchor them in place. Also, make sure the wicks are evenly spaced apart. Top off the candle once more and let it cure. You can burn your candles right away, but my research and experimentation indicates to get maximum scent throw, cure candles for 3 to 4 weeks before burning them. All of the candles put off a lot of scent, but the lantern had the brightest lights by far. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.